Always have a first aid kit ready for emergencies. Pack flashlights with extra batteries for power outages. Keep bottled water for drinking and sanitation purposes. Store non-perishable food for sustenance during emergencies. Maintain a battery-powered or hand-crank radio for updates. Include multi-tools or knives for various practical needs. Have a stash of matches or lighters for starting fires. Ensure a copy of important documents like IDs and insurance. Stock extra blankets or sleeping bags for warmth. Secure hygiene products, including soap, toothpaste, and garbage bags. Keep cash in small denominations for emergency transactions. Have a whistle on hand to signal for help if needed. Include face masks to reduce dust or contagious disease exposure. Ensure spare keys for your home and car are accessible. Have a cell phone charger, especially solar-powered, available.